Welcome arm wrestlers, Pradeep here from Arm Wrestling News. If you end up watching the entire video, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. RVJ versus Ryan Bowen. 5 things you need to know about this match. Number 1. Ryan Bowen said that this match should happen in 4 to 6 months from now, and both Ryan and RVJ have got the clearance from WL for this match, which again shows that this year there will be no WL season because both of them were supposed to pull in the WL this year. Ryan Bowen was scheduled to pull BLM from Canada, and RVJ was supposed to defend his hammer against Paul Lynn. Number 2. Neil Pickup is the mediator between these two. This match will be under Arm Wars rules, best of 6 rounds with running fouls. And if the score is 3-3, then the match will go on until someone gets 2 wins in a row. Neil Pickup has been talking for quite some time now about bringing back his Arm Wars League, and Ryan Bowen, Paul Lynn, Coach Ray, Frode Hogland, and Herman Stevens were already being considered to pull in Arm Wars. RVJ versus Ryan would be a great comeback match for Arm Wars. However, I still don't think this match will be under Arm Wars banner, but you never know. If the WL doesn't come back, Neil may include it in his archives. Number 3. Ryan said that as of now, the money on the line for this match is a 5-digit number, which is less than 50,000 and more than $10,000. He would like to get the number up to $50,000 with the help of his pound for pound arm wrestling brand. And by looking at the way Ryan was talking with Devon, it's quite easy to guess that the money available right now is $15,000 to $17,000. And I'm sure Ryan would get it up to at least $25,000. Number 4. Devon Larratt pointed out an interesting thing about this match. This will be the first drug-tested super match in arm wrestling history. WAF tournaments are tested, but if you look at the most famous arm wrestling super match platforms like Top 8, WL, Arm Wars, none of them are drug tested. Number 5. Now the big question is RVJ natural? Is Ryan Bowen natural? I'm not qualified to speak on this matter, but there are definitely some things that I can guess. RVJ has said many times that he is natural. Should we believe him and take his word for that? Maybe not. But on the other hand, while Ryan may have agreed for the tests, but despite being asked many times whether he is natural or not, he simply decides to ignore this question. He is yet to say once that he is not on steroids. He has never said that, neither in the videos nor in the comment section where he is being repeatedly asked about this question. I personally don't think that Ryan Bowen is running a D-ball or trend cycle or anything like that, but he is definitely on testosterone replacement therapy, as far as my imagination goes. How I know this? If you guys remember, in October 2019, Ryan started working with this nutritionist Jay, and he got Ryan's blood work done, and his testosterone was 370 nanograms per deciliter. And Ryan said a couple of interesting things about that. He said his testosterone was not low enough for the doctor to prescribe him TRT, that is testosterone replacement therapy. If it was low enough, he would have loved to get on TRT because he is not going to compete in WAF. And the second thing that he mentioned is that after working with the nutritionist for a couple of months, he would check his testosterone levels again and see how much he has improved. And never after that you have ever seen the results shared on YouTube. About 1 year ago, I asked him a couple of times to show the testosterone results, but he never replied. And I can understand he's a busy person and cannot reply to everyone, but he was replying to every other question that I ever asked him. He just decided to ignore this question. And remember, this is the exact time when he started making those 44% gains. He gained around 7 kilos muscle mass from 88 kilos to 95 kilos within a year and still got leaner than before. Are you guys looking at this? 7 kg weight gain, 7 kg muscle mass gain, and still got leaner with just arm wrestling training, no bodybuilding training, no traditional gym deadlifts and bench presses and squats. 7 kg muscle mass and got leaner. I don't think RVJ needs the monthly doping test to find out whether Ryan is natty or not. He can simply call Ryan tomorrow and get the testosterone levels checked. And if the levels are over 600 or even 550, then everything is clear. And before you thumbs down this video, ask Ryan to show his testosterone results. I'm quite sure he won't reply. And one more thing that I forgot to mention, guys, the weight cap for this match is 210 pounds. that is 95 kilos. And Ryan Bowen is around 96, 97 kilos right now. And in 6 months, I'm quite sure he'll drop some weight and he'll show up around 92 or 93 kilos for this match. Anyways, we will be waiting for this match, and for more details, you will have to wait for 4 more days till Neil Pickup uploads the episode with Ryan and RVJ on his channel. That's enough for this video. If you liked the content, consider supporting me on Patreon or become a YouTube member. Links in the description. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who thinks like you. My name is Pradeep and I thank you so much for watching.